The combines they're running are a fleet of 2024 New Holland CR 9.90s. They max out about 571 horsepower. Yeah, the grain tank has a capacity of 410 bushels and the unload speed is 4 bushels per second. These combines fall into the class 9 and have 10,075 square inches of cleaning space. The headers on the front are McDon FD240s with contour buddy wheels. They normally run a wheeled unit on their cart, but they broke the drawbar today, so is a T9 600 New Holland 4-track tractor, which is loaded right up, has power shift transmission, PTO, rides super smooth with the tracks. Their trucks are Freightliners and Kenworth pulling triaxles off the field.